How to build a Shopify store. Shopify is a subscription to a software service that other offers you to create a website and use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage your products. Using their service, you get access to an easy to use admin panel where you can add products, process orders, and enter store data. For a monthly subscription of $29 per month, you can build a fully functional online store that you can use to sell digital or physical goods. Shopify also offers a limited free trial. If you want to create an online store using Shopify, you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will show you how to use Shopify so that you can launch your online store as soon as possible. So let's get started. How to set up your own online shop with the help of Shopify. Signing up with Shopify and starting your store couldn't be any easier, and they even offer a free 14-day free trial to get you going. It allows you to test drive Shopify to your heart's content without even needing to input your credit card information. All you need to is in you need to do is provide your email address. You will only have to pick and plan once you decide to make your online shop public. First step is sign up with the Shopify. Visit shopify.com, use the sign up form to create an account, enter the required details, and click the start free trial button. Your store name needs to be unique, or Shopify will ask you to choose something else. After this initial screen, you will be asked for a few more details, including your name, address, country, and contact number. You will also be asked if you have products and if so, what you aim to sell. If you're just trying out Shopify to see if it works for you, you can select I'm just playing around in the do you have products drop down and I'm not sure in what will you sell section. Once click I'm done. Second step is start setting up your online shop. After you have signed up, you will be directed straight to your store admin screen. Now you're ready to start customizing your store, uploading products and setting up payments and shipping. The next step is choose a theme or a layout. Shopify has its own official theme store. These themes are all guaranteed to have full support from the designer so that you know that your store is in good hands. There are free and paid themes. All of them come with a comprehensive list of modifications you can make without having to touch a line of code. However, premium themes usually offer more modification options and slicker design. If you decide to opt for a premium theme, it will set you back between $100 and $180. However, they are good investment, especially since there are many themes aimed at certain industries or products. So you get a fitting look instantly at a reasonable price. However, you can also achieve a good looking site with a free theme. We will outline detailed steps for that in the next section. If you want to make wholesale changes at a theme, there are few limitations on what can be achieved by accessing the HTML and CSS. Don't worry if you haven't got any coding experience. Shopify has an international team of design agencies they call Shopify experts so that you can hire them to fully customize your site. Then Next step is edit Shopify settings. The majority of Shopify themes allows you to make simple changes that can massively change the appearance of the store. So you can rest assured knowing you won't end up with a website that looks like a clone of thousands of other stores. On your admin screen, select themes from the left navigation menu. On this page, you will see your live theme in a box at the top. In the top right corner of that box will be two buttons. The first one is actions, which give you some basic setting changes. One of these allow you to make a duplicate of the theme. We highly recommend you to, in this case, you make some changes you don't like. You can delete the duplicate and start again. The second button says customize. If you click in it, you will be taken to a page that controls all the basic functionality of your store. This is a great theme for you to have a thorough play with the settings and test out all the features so you can find out what your site is capable of. The most common features will include uploading logos, uploading slides to a homepage, carousel, adding related item functionality to product pages, choosing how many items appear on each line of the collection pages, color schemes, font choices. The next step is add your products to the store. Navigating the bar on the left side, products, select products. You will then see a green add a product button in the middle of the page. Use the following screen to add as much as detail as needed about your products. Then, once everything is filled out, always remember to click the Save Product button in the top and the bottom right corners. Then next is pick payment gateways. A payment gateway, which is in settings and payments, allows you to take payments from your customers through your website. The price and commission rate is important, but it's also important to see what features they offer. Not all payment gateways are created equal. You need to look at the following when choosing the right payment gateway for you: transaction fees, car types, off-site checkout, and all this. Depending on how many transactions you make every month, it could be worth upgrading to take advantage of these savings. Then next is get your online shop live. Before your site can go live, you need to add a few more details about your company and how you plan to make deliveries and pay tax. Like you need to provide all your business information, the taxes information, the shipping address, and all. This is how you can create your Shopify store. That's all for today.